If you are just wasting your time by scrolling Instagram, then let me tell you there are top 5 ways to make money from Instagram Reels. Like and save this video. And the most important thing, follow us right now. Number 1. Sponsored Reels. Similar to sponsored posts, you can create sponsored Reels for brands and businesses. If you have a strong following and create engaging content, brands may pay you to create Reels that promote their products and services. Or you can negotiate your rate based on your audience size and engagement rate. Number 2. Affiliate Marketing. You can also use Reels to promote products and services through affiliate marketing by creating fun and informative Reels that showcase a product. You can earn a commission on any sales that results from your promotion. Number 3. Merchandise. If you have a loyal following, you can create and sell merchandise through your Reels. You can create a custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs or phone cases and promote them through your Reels. This can be a great way to monetize your account while also building your personal brand. Number 4. Coaching or consulting. If you have expertise in particular area, you can use Reels to showcase your skills and offer coaching or consulting services. You can create Reels that offer tips and advice in your area of expertise and promote your coaching and consulting services in your bio. Number 5. Brand collaborations. You can collaborate with other influencers or brands on Reels to grow your following and earn money. By partnering with other accounts, you can cross-promote your Reels and reach new audiences. You can also earn money by creating branded content for other accounts or being featured on their page. If you really want to make money on Instagram, then like, comment and share this video. Follow and visit kulfi.com for more such informational videos. Thank you for watching this video.